Hello from room 448 of the Ciragan Palace Kempinski Hotel in Istanbul, the grand dame of the city. I'm just going to give you a quick tour. It is October 2023 and the hotel has just undergone its first renovation since it opened in 1991. So these are the brand new rooms. There I am. Okay, so we've gone straight into the bathroom. These are the new amenities they've got, which have been produced in collaboration with a Istanbul-based cosmetics brand. All recyclable packaging there. There is your toilet, don't need to see that. Big shower, no tub in this room, but a big shower. Here is ample storage. You can guess what the rest of it is like, more of the same. Then moving into the room itself, that's the Bosphorus in front of us. I'll give you a proper tour of the view in a moment. They gave me some flowers as a welcome amenity. Very nice, right? Here's the bed. It's a little bit crumpled. I was sleeping in it and selected not to have it changed every day for their sustainability operations. So that's why it doesn't look as pristine as might ordinarily be the case. Here is your minibar. Soft drinks are complimentary and replenished each day. Let's see, some iced tea, Coke, sparkling water, some type of juice, peach. Okay, there's more Ottoman style decorative details. This is a really incredible property with an amazing history. It's built around an original Ottoman palace from the late 1800s that's directly on the banks of the Bosphorus, and they have an incredible outdoor infinity pool, beautiful grounds which you can see a bit of now, and broadly pleasant interiors that have recently been renovated just like the room. So they've got 2 new restaurants, new lobby space, and it's really, really nice. This is a very, very special property. If you look at pictures online of the exterior of the palace, you'll get more sense of why that is. And here we are onto my balcony. There's the view of the Bosphorus. You can just see a little bit of the infinity pool there. And if you go down to ground level, it is absolutely amazing to just look at the skyline from here. Beautiful sunsets as well. So there you are. This is one of the newly renovated rooms at the Ciragan Palace Kempinski Hotel. I can get discounts at this and many other luxury hotels around the world. Things like free upgrades, credits for F&B and so on. So if you do want to know more about that, you can email rooms@loot.co. I'll put that into the description, rooms@loot.co. But generally a really great property. It looks phenomenal and service has been lovely. There you go.